Hello there. This coming week we're going to see a good deal of placid and benign weather right across the country, and that's in sharp contrast to what we saw last week, which was distinctly a week of two halves, as during Monday and Tuesday we saw a spell of very wet weather moving northwards across the country, and in fact we saw close to 5 inches of torrential rain at Swanage in Dorset and highest temperatures were into the low 20s. Now, as we headed through from Wednesday to Saturday, it was very different indeed. Much of the country was dry. We saw spells of very warm sunshine with temperatures up to 25 degrees, and the best of that sunshine was in the south and the west. And that was all due to an area of high pressure which is still with us. We can see here centred across the northwestern part of the country, and it's going to stay with us during the coming week. It may decline a little bit, and then as we head towards the end of the week we'll start to see it moving eastwards out towards the North Sea. So we'll see the wind direction subtly changing across many parts of the country, but winds generally on the light side apart from the far south where it will be breezy at times. So for the week ahead, we're looking at that area of high pressure bringing a lot of dry weather. Also, we're going to see a good deal more in the way of cloud than we have done recently, so spells of sunshine are going to be at a premium. Certainly the sunshine earlier today was only in parts of south east England and across Highland Scotland. Elsewhere cloudy, and it's going to remain quite dull and misty in parts of Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland, and it will remain cloudy through north east England, the Midlands down towards southwest England, but elsewhere dry and brighter. And here we'll see temperatures up to around 19 or 20, but feeling a little bit on the cool side in the south there in that stiff northeast wind. Now, as we go through the week, we're going to see temperatures typically into the mid-teens in Scotland and Northern Ireland, and as we move further south in England and Wales, we'll see them closer to their seasonal average of around 18 or 19 degrees. And even overnight, tonight we'll see temperatures at their lowest around 8 or 9 degrees, and that's going to be typical for the rest of the week, again close to the seasonal average. So tomorrow morning it's going to start off cloudy and dull and grey in many areas. We may see a little bit of brightness towards the southwest, and we'll see that developing further northwards and westwards as we go through the day. But once again, the dullest, greyest weather up to the north and the east, and here temperatures at best into the mid-teens. As we head further south, we'll see temperatures around at 19 or 20. Now, by Tuesday, we could see temperatures up to around 20 or even 21 in the brighter spots in parts of England and Wales after early morning mist and fog. But once again, that dull grey weather with a little bit of drizzle in the far north will keep temperatures pegged back to around at 14 or 15. And spot the difference on Wednesday because it's very hard to see it. But by Thursday, we start to see that high nudging its way eastwards. It continues to do that on Friday. So we are going to see some brighter weather coming into eastern parts of the country, but always dull and grey in the north. The best of the bright and sunny weather out towards the west. Bye for now.